Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. This is the Frankia Platin, a really nice liner, but for something like this you're looking at around 200,000 euros plus what? I don't know, depends on the equipment level you choose for it. Right, but it's really nice inside. I wouldn't mind something like this myself. I do tell people when they say to me, what vehicle should I buy? I do appreciate that not everybody has got 200,000 euros lying around. But let's face it, I could be driving one of these in 40 years' time. So by which time the price might have fallen a bit. So that's what I say to people when they say to me, what vehicle should I get? I say, look at a classic. A Frankia, a Hymer, Carthago, EuraMobil, something like that. That would be my advice to anybody getting a van. Right, look at this lovely flat floor all the way back. Well, not entirely, because here, the flat floor, the floor of the habitation area has been contoured around the Mercedes part at the front of the vehicle. Now it's an integrated vehicle, of course, so the front itself is Frankia, but this bit here is Mercedes, and so they've done here. Also note the way the handbrake has been integrated into, or rather the floor's been integrated around the handbrake. Must admit, I find it easier to drive the handbrake on the left hand side, but that's just me. We've got a door here, and I've become a fan of doors at this side. I was arguing against them, but now I've changed my mind, and I think that one can change one's mind. We've got storage all around the front. Isn't that nice? Much better than a bed. Look at the way it goes down. It drops down. This is the only vehicle I know of where the front storage compartments, I mean, it's logical, they're using the full length of the vehicle. And yeah, we'll have a look at this one as well. Note that the corner bit hasn't been wasted as well. I'm really against corner bits being wasted. Yeah, just to make the point, stick my hand in like that, you see. Oh, I'll stick the camera down there, you can see what's happening there. Alright, so I like things like that. Right, here, passenger seat. We've got a place to keep all them dodgy keys you don't know what to use for any more, foreign coins, things like that, bits you don't know what to do with it. There's a look down the vehicle from the front. The table, alright, face to face. Table will expand a bit, but it's not a particularly large table. You can see here we've got a bit extra down there, but all the same it's not going to make it much bigger. Let's see the television there. You don't have to watch it sideways though, the television will turn around the proper way, at least it should do. Over here, kitchen, 2 burners and a moulded sink. So you're saying 2 burners isn't enough for you? Well, you could order more. If you get it second hand, as I'm suggesting, then you'll get what you're given. However, even if you bought something like this used, it'll take a while for this to go on the market, but you could easily put extra burners on there if they were necessary. Where is the oven? Well, there isn't one, but there is a grill, and it's there. Freezer, fridge. People say to me, where's the microwave? Well, there's the one in the shops, but powering the microwave isn't all that easy. Well, sorry, it wouldn't be such a problem in a vehicle like this, because you can just add to the batteries. The amount of batteries that go with it is up to the buyer effectively. I mean, you can just about have as many as you want, within reason, of course. But so also there's plenty of space on the roof for solar and things like that as well. So solar and battery packs are usually things which people do for themselves, so you can have whatever you want. In here, the wardrobe, we will find the Aldi heating system. That is the glycol. It's the stuff you put in the antifreeze, and that is what keeps the heating system working. And lovely shower, really big, 2 drainage points, and there you go. There's the toilet. Oh, let's close the door. Enormous toilet here. Well, sorry, the room's enormous. The toilet's the same size as every other toilet. There's Truma Aventa air conditioning. Here we have got storage under the bed, and we've got steps up to the bed. It's a German layout. This will fit in there. There's a plate to go. Can't do it holding one hand, but anyway, you got the general picture, I hope. And there's a plate to go in there to hold the bed. But you get an enormous bed. I can't even show it properly with the camera, even though this is quite a wide angle on this. And here's the step. This steps here will go in and out. There you go. Which is handy, because this means that now we have got access to this slide out. I think that's brilliant. I think it's much better than the wardrobe that you usually sort of see, which you've got to sort of, here you've got everything presented to you. This is a brilliant solution in my opinion. Storage all the way around, as you'd expect. Window on either side, but not at the back of the vehicle. You can divide this up here. It's one door which becomes 2. And this one then goes across, and then there's the second one here. Pull the whole thing right across. Actually, I couldn't drive this. I don't know why I'm saying. I want one of these in 40 years' time. It's too big for me. I wouldn't manage it. Theoretically, I can drive it. I mean, this. I think I'll probably put this on a 5.5 ton basis. Have a look at the description, because there'll be more information on things like that there. There's a double floor, as you can see. It's a deep double floor. So it's not deep here, that part. And here we can find some of the place where you can keep your beer. And as you come in, you've got access to a place to keep your shoes. There's the door with a window in it. Control panels. You can get systems now where all the panels are in one. Revolution system, a German company, a very young company, startup. We've got RVCon. They have a system where you've just got one panel. You don't have to have. Here they've got 3 panels, and this is when you buy the thing. Oh no, I saw this would also be effectively, there'd be 5 panels in here. So all of that can be integrated into one panel. Let's have a look here. And there's another panel, so you've got 6 can be integrated into one. This is the place you can leave your shoes as you come in. So we've got storage cabinets on the outside there. That's for storing gas bottles. And here, okay, this comes with 300 ampere hour lithium ferrous phosphate battery, and this will come out again. I think that's I really like this feature here. These things coming out like that. I think that's maximum 100 kilos. I mean, that's quite a lot for something like that. Let's see if this is open. Lovely garage in here. Lots of space there. There's the winch for your awning. And the back will open as well. Now, depending when I get this up, if it goes up when I'm at a trade fair or something like this, or when I'm traveling, there won't be a description. If I've had a chance to sit down and write a description, then there will be. Obviously I need access to my computer. I find it very difficult to write with a telephone. I don't mind writing a short message to somebody like yes or no, but I don't like writing a long description for a motorhome on my telephone. But if I've sat down and have had access to a computer by the time I post this, then there will be a longer description. Indeed, you can see in other videos, I think I've got the entire Frankia range, including a rather detailed video on opinion on this new Frankia now Fiat based motorhome. You could have a look at that. That'll go up quite quickly. And see other vehicles here, all from the Pilot group. And there's my mate Toby, who's also got a channel and making a video over there. It was the Pilot Atlas campervan, one of the best campervans on the market at present, in my opinion. Some really nice vehicles here, as well as some not so good ones. This K-Peak here from Frankia is a basic misunderstanding, in my opinion. You'll have to see the video to find out why. But for the moment, thanks very much for watching. All the best from me in Germany.